Wákàtí àdúrà ti wọlé dé báyìí fún gbogbo ìràwọ̀ pátá. Ìràwọ̀ omi ni, ìràwọ̀ iná ni, ìràwọ̀ afẹ́fẹ́, ìràwọ̀ erùpẹ̀ ni. Ní July 4 ní déédéé aago 2:15 ní ọ̀sán July 4 ti ọdún 2025 tá a wà yìí, tí àgbáyé ìràwọ̀ kan tá a mọ̀ sí Venus tó fẹ́ bọ́ sínú kòtò ilé kan náà pẹ̀lú ìràwọ̀ tí a mọ̀ sí Uranus nínú ilé Taurus làwọn méjèèjì fẹ́ kán wọ̀, tí ó sì jẹ́ àkókò gbígbàdúrà fún gbogbo ìràwọ̀ pátá. Àkókò téèyàn lè rí oore òjijì gbàmú lákòókò yìí jẹ́, má fi ṣeré rárá. Màá ṣàlàyé àwọn àkókò tó ṣe é pé máa bọ́ sí ní ikọ̀ ìlú kí ìlú tí a bá wà l'Amẹ́ríkà ní London ní níbikíbi, nítorí táìmù tó máa bọ́ sí nílùú kọ̀ọ̀kan yìí ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ló wà o. This is your affirmation time. Ìwọ tó ń wò mí o ní láti share fídíò yìí kó kárí ilé kó kárí oko. Ìta ṣe kọjá ní April tá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Chiron in Aries. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló testify sí lọ́jọ́ ta ní kó gbàdúrà lákòókò ta ní kó gbàdúrà tí wọ́n sì ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n sì rí yípo padà náà. Ìwọ náà wá dọ́gbàgbọ́ ẹ wò báyìí lórí fídíò yìí, má dẹ́jà rẹ̀ rárá. Àkókò tá bá ní o ṣe prayer ṣe ohun tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí lè mú wá nùgbésí ayé wa náà ní ìyípòpadà òjijì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ owó, ìyípòpadà òjijì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ olólùfẹ́, lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìbáṣepọ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ní ìyípòpadà òjijì lórí ìrínisí wa. Nínú fídíò yìí máa ṣàlàyé nípa ìràwọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Your affirmation time is here as Venus conjunct Uranus by Friday, July 4, 2025. On Friday, 4th of July 2025, Venus will conjunct Uranus, which only occur once in a year. This is the moment of unexpected changes for you. Seize this time to get out of financial worries, relationship tension, and general physical admiration. Although the prayer time is not the same across the world, therefore I'll be stating the affirmation time for some countries for the benefit of those that are watching this video across the globe. Expect the said moment at the end of this video. Kí ẹ ní sùúrù tá fi parí fídíò yìí láti gbọ́ nípa àkókò tí ó máa bọ́ sí ní ìlú tẹ̀yin wà láti fi ṣe prayer yìí. Share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now for more. Màmá ṣàlàyé báyìí ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì nípa ìhà tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí tí ó kọ sí ìràwọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan àti prayer point tí ìràwọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan máa mú gbámú tí wọ́n máa mú lọ́kùnkúndùn lákòókò yẹn. Elédùmarè Ọlọ́run bá mi á ṣe gbogbo ìwúre wa, gbogbo àdúrà wa á ṣe ní ìtẹ́wọ́gbà. For Aries, people born between March 21 to April 20, expect some better changes in your life in the space of marriage, relationship, finances, and some personal values. But some of you may experience shake-up in your love life. You may have a desire for more freedom in your relationship or unexpected shifts in your financial situations. So for you as an Aries, this moment you need to pray concerning your relationship. You need to pray concerning your financial situation. You need to pray for sudden changes, sudden experience in your financial aspects and personal values. For Taurus, people born between April 21 to May 20, this is the moment of breakthrough for you, as you may earn sudden changes and breakthrough related to love, money, and admiration. You should spend this moment to reevaluate your relationship, finances, and yourself in a way that will satisfy you. Pray for satisfaction in all these aspects as at that precious moment. For Geminis, people born between May 21 to June 21, it may cause some disruption or excitement in areas related to love, beauty, and finances. You may also have a sudden desire for a deep thinking and reevaluation of social interaction and intellectual pursuits. So this moment, you need to pray concerning your social circle, those you relate with. God should send you an helper, a sudden helper that will suddenly change your life for good. Pray for that at this precious moment whereby we are going to have Venus conjuncting Uranus. For Cancerian born, people born between June 22 to July 22, this event will make you more aware of your needs and desires. Unexpected changes may occur within your home, which may cause you to have the desire to create more comfortable and nurturing environment. This is the moment of transformation for your home, Cancer. So this moment, you need to pray concerning your home, your needs and desire. Those of you that have been willing to build a home for yourself, Those of you that have been willing to complete your house, this is the moment you can pray for sudden blessing, unexpected blessing that can help you in terms of doing so. For Leo borns, people born between July 23 to August 22, this moment can cause mix of excitement and friction or sudden changes in matters of love and career. This moment you need to pray concerning your career and your love life. You need to ask God to help you in terms of your relationship. Anything that is going on that you're not satisfied with, you need to pray concerning that, for that sudden changes to occur in your love life and also in your career. Pray for more blessing. Pray for abundant grace during this moment concerning your relationship, love life, and career. For Virgos, people born between August 23 to September 23, you feel the need for adaptability. Also, sudden innovative ideas may come up in terms of finance, and also you need to balance yourself within stability and change. So this moment, there are some things that may occur in your life as Virgo. Some changes might want to occur. As a mutable sign, you need to be flexible during this moment, because as you are praying, there may be some messages whereby you may need to change some aspects. You may need to take some steps. So you need to balance yourself and embrace the changes that nature brings during this day. For Libras, people born between September 24 to October 23, you may have sudden desire for balance and harmony, which will lead to significant shifts in your social circle and partnerships. Unexpected changes may also occur by how you value yourself and how you approach your relationship and how you manage your finances. During this moment, you pray for harmony. You pray for easiness in all ramifications. You pray for peace of mind. You pray to enjoy your money in peace, enjoy your love life in peace. You pray against any hindrance that might want to come between your peace and your desires. For Scorpios, people born between October 24 to November 22, during this moment, you feel the need to break free from restrictive patterns or unhealthy changes in your relationships. Hidden truths about intimacy and trust may be revealed unexpectedly on this precious day. You may also experience unexpected breakthroughs in relationships and unexpected gains or losses related to shared resources or investments. So ẹ̀yin tó bá jẹ́ pé bóyá ẹ ti daṣẹ́ pọ̀ pẹ̀lú yàn tẹ́lẹ̀ rí, tẹ́tí jọ kó nǹkan kan papọ̀ pẹ̀lú yàn, àkókò ọjọ́ yẹn ó ṣeé ṣe kí nǹkan kan fẹ́ wáyé bíi géènì tàbí lọ́ọ̀sì. Àkókò yẹn fẹ́ fi ṣe prayer láti má jẹ́ kí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn wáyé, láti bí kí ire wọlé dáadáa láàyè iṣẹ́ yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì làwọn nǹkan tó bá dàbí ìgbà pé kò tẹ́yín lọ́rùn, kẹ́ pray lé lórí dáadáa, k'Ọlọ́run ń ṣe ìrọ̀rùn fún yín. Àwọn nǹkan tí ò tẹ́yín lọ́rùn kó dé ìrọ̀rùn fún yín. Pray to break free from restrictive patterns in your relationship. Pray against loss, pray against failure, and pray for freedom at this precious moment. For Sagittarius, Venus conjuncting Uranus in Taurus have a good impact in your sign. People born between November 23 to December 22. During that moment, you may have sudden desire for independence or personal freedom, which may lead to giving more space in your relationship, or you may have a desire to explore new philosophies. Sudden travel opportunities may also occur. You may also feel the urge to prioritize self-care and look good. So that day, pray for unexpected opportunity. Pray for unexpected travel opportunity, but avoid doing anything that may be issue or tension in your relationship. For Capricorn, people born between December 23 to January 19, you may reevaluate your long-term goals and may also consider if they may still align with your current values. You may also get sudden creative ideas which may impact your relationship and financial goals. So pray for the gift, pray for the ideas, pray for the blessings during this moment concerning your finance and your relationship. For Aquarius, people born between January 20 to February 19, you may have a sudden desire for greater freedom and a questioning of normal things that have been happening in your relationship or financial aspects. There may also be some unexpected attraction or admiration from others. Also, that day you may find yourself questioning your role in your family and social circle. So pray at this precious moment concerning upliftment in your family, in your social circle, in your workspace. God should give you the upliftment. You should be one in a million amongst your social circle and in your family life. For Pisces, this is the time, this is the exact time to use your mouth to transform your financial, relationship, and career life, because sudden, unexpected changes and breakthrough may occur in these areas. So use this moment to pray, use your mouth to command, to affirmate, to control blessing into your life. Kí ẹ ṣàdúrà yípo padà tó lágbára lórí ọ̀rọ̀ iṣẹ́, owó, ìdàgbàsókè gbogbo nǹkan yín àti ìbáṣepọ̀ yín pẹ̀lú. Àkókò wa ní Venus àti Uranus fẹ́ pàdé nínú ilé kan náà tí ń ṣe ilé Taurus ní ìlú tẹ̀yin wà, ní country tẹ́ wà. What is the exact moment, exact prayer moment, exact time that Venus is conjuncting Uranus in Taurus on July 4, 2025? For those of you in Nigeria, UK, Ghana, France, and Spain, your affirmation moment, your prayer time is 1:45 p.m. Aago méjì kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. For those of you in Western America and Canada, your affirmation time is 5:45 a.m. Àkókò aago mẹ́fà òwúrọ̀ kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. For those in Texas, Oklahoma, and some other nearby areas, 7:45 a.m. is your affirmation period. Is the time whereby Venus will conjunct Uranus. Àkókò aago mẹ́jọ òwúrọ̀ kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. For those of you in Ontario, Canada, Atlanta, Georgia, New York, Toronto, Canada, Washington, D.C., Virginia, and some other nearby areas, 8:45 a.m. is your affirmation time on that said date. Àkókò aago mẹ́sàn-án òwúrọ̀ kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. And for those in Libya, Germany, Italy, and South Africa, 2:45 p.m. is your affirmation time. Àkókò aago mẹ́ta ọ̀sán kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. For those of you in Egypt, Turkey, Kenya, and Ethiopia, 3:45 p.m. is your affirmation time. Àkókò aago mẹ́rin ọ̀sán kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. And for those of you in Dubai, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, 4:45 p.m. is your affirmation time. Àkókò aago márùn-ún rọ̀lẹ́ kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. Those in India, 6:15 p.m. is your affirmation time. Àkókò aago mẹ́fà kọjá ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. And those in China, 8:45 p.m. is your affirmation time. Àkókò aago mẹ́sàn-án àṣálẹ́ kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. Lastly, those in Japan, South Korea, Australia, your affirmation time is 9:45 p.m. Àkókò aago mẹ́wàá àṣálẹ́ kù ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. Share this video for the benefit of others. Ẹ pín fídíò yìí kó jẹ́ òwúlò àti àǹfààní fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn. Ire gbogbo ajé tiwa lónìí, lọ́sẹ̀ yìí, lóṣù yìí, àti ní gbogbo ọjọ́ ayé wa láṣẹ Ìdùmarè. Ire o.